Hello everyone, it's Leilani. So today we have a very special vlog. It only comes once a year. So today I'm finally filming the birthday vlog. It's actually 2 days after my birthday. My birthday was Wednesday, February 21st, but earlier this week I got severely ill. I caught some kind of cold. Your girl was bedridden for the first 2 days. It was absolutely awful. And it was actually on my birthday that I did start to feel a lot better, but I didn't want to push it. I thought it'd be better to just keep recovering, and I'm really glad I did because I feel so much better today, and we could just continue on with the birthday activities this weekend. Also, of course, we gotta address the elephant in the room. This is the first vlog back in California. I'm sure you guys have a lot of questions, and I did mention in the last vlog that I would get into why I left Italy and my experience there and all of that. I will be spilling the tea later on in the video, but before we do that, I needed to get outside. I've been indoors all week, and today I'm finally getting my birthday freebies. I actually did this for the first time last year and I vlogged the whole thing, so I thought I'd do it again. You know, since I'm back in the US of A, I thought there would be no better way to celebrate my birthday than to get a bunch of free gifts from these multi-million-dollar corporations, so. Alright, so I think the first stop of today will be Ulta. Okay, first bag of the day is secured. So I actually had a pickup order. I just haven't been able to get it since I've been sick. Today was the last day to pick it up. So I got quite a few things, but I was able to pick up my birthday freebie. But I'll show you guys everything once we get home. We'll do a full haul. On to the next birthday freebies. Oh no. Okay, girlies, more bags have been secured. So as you saw, there was a sale at Bath & Body Works. Since I came back from Italy, I don't have any more candles, so I did cave and get 2 of them, and I did get my free birthday gift. And then I just got the free birthday reward from Sephora. Here's a little sneak peek of what I got. Anyway, let's move on and start getting some of the food rewards. Okay, so we got the free birthday crumble cookie, but someone please explain to me how I ended up with 3 buntlets. So basically at Nothing Budnt Cakes, you do get 1 free buntlet, but they were having a buy one, get one free. So the cashier was like, oh, you could just pay for 1 buntlet and get 3 today. And I couldn't pass up that offer. Also, sorry, I'm getting so distracted. My car smells divine right now. I sprayed YSL's Libre Intense in the Sephora, and it smells so freaking good. The other day I sprayed I think it's called the eau de toilette or whatever. I really don't know French. I sprayed that one on my skin last time, and like, not to be crass, but it actually smells like butthole. It did not mix with my skin chemistry, but the intense version of Libre, holy shit. Anyway, I'm looking over here and it's just so much freaking stuff. It's crazy. But anyway, I guess I will see you guys back at home. So we're back home and I laid out all the birthday goodies that I got. And then over here are these adorable flowers that my dad got me for my birthday. Oh, you can see me over here. Hey, but let's just get into the birthday haul. So first over here, we have one free Crumbl cookie. I think it's like a lemon pie cookie, but I saw the reviews for this and apparently it was amazing. And then I got to pick out one free buntlet from Nothing Budnt Cakes. But of course, as you guys already saw, I ended up with 3. So this one's one of my favorites. I got strawberries and cream. I got this one last year too. Another one of my favorites, this one is the snickerdoodle flavor. And I thought this one was more birthday-like. This one is the confetti cake, which I've never gotten before. And Sephora always has really good birthday gifts. They had a couple different options, but I chose this one from Cosas. I've heard so many good things about Cosas, but I've never tried out their brand. And this one comes with one wet lip oil and an air brow, I think eyebrow gel. Also, I heard people raving about the lip oil and said the color is amazing. So I am so excited to try this out. And then from Bath & Body Works, you got to pick out one item under $9.95 with a purchase though, so I did end up buying some other things. But I got this travel size body cream. This is in the scent In the Stars. I have heard many people say that this scent is quite similar to Baccarat Rouge 540. I mean, I feel like it's a bit of a stretch, but it does have such a nice scent. It is similar. So that was for free, and I did pick up some candles. So the candles were $13.95, and if you spent $30, you got $10 off. So I did get a couple. The first 3-wick candle I got is Paris Cafe. And just look at how freaking cute this new packaging is. So I actually hated this candle when I first smelled it, but my mom actually had this and it makes your entire house smell like coffee, which is one of my favorite scents in the world. So I don't know why I wasn't into this at first. And I just got one other candle. So this is also a scent that I've never gotten before. This is Midnight Blue Citrus. But if you guys want to know the notes, it has juicy citrus, fresh spring water, and sweet mango. It's just a really nice, fresh, springy kind of candle. And then to bump me up to $30 to get the $10 off, I just got 2 sanitizers. And lastly, I got my huge order from Ulta. As you guys saw earlier, the birthday gift that I picked out was this Olaplex set. It comes with 3 different items. There's a hair perfector, a bond maintenance shampoo, and a bond maintenance conditioner. And I'm not sure if you guys care to see the other items that I picked up from Ulta, but these are all pretty much repurchases. So here's the final haul of everything I got for my birthday. I think it was a pretty successful day. Hello friends, happy Sunday. I'm just quickly wrapping up getting ready because we have our family birthday party today. My sister's birthday is also in February, so we always just have like a combined party with our family, and this is gonna be my first time seeing them since Italy, so I'm so excited. Also, sorry, I feel like the vlog just ended like so abruptly on Friday. That was my first time going outside all week since I was so sick, so I was so exhausted after that. Like, I couldn't do anything. I just had dinner with my parents, we shared a bundt cake, and ended up watching the Avatar live action. The show came out the day after my birthday and I was like foaming at the mouth. I was so excited for this. But I don't know, the live action was a little bit of a mixed bag for me. And I know a lot of other people kind of felt that way about the live action show. So if you guys watched it, let me know what your thoughts were. Okay, the makeup is complete, but let's finish getting ready because we gotta go soon. Okay, wait. Also, I was opening up this package yesterday. It's my new purse from Teddy Blake. I have been freaking waiting for this and I wanted to unbox it with you guys to get my reaction. And I want to base my outfit today around this purse. The packaging is always so beautiful. Okay, let's reveal. Oh my god. So I picked out Teddy Blake's Bella Croco 9-inch bag. I love the top handle, love the attachable strap, and most importantly, the craftsmanship. You can see that the stitching is impeccable. If you aren't familiar with Teddy Blake, they make all of their bags in the same Italian factories as other luxury brands, so it's made with the same materials and Italian leather. Most luxury bags of this quality will run in the thousands, but Teddy Blake is a fraction of the cost. And on top of the already discounted price, I have a discount code for you all, and you can find it in the description box. All right, ladies and gents, are we ready for the completed fit? Sorry, it's kind of difficult to show my entire outfit because my room is so small, but girl, as you guys know, I do have another Teddy Blake bag. This is the first bag that Teddy Blake ever gifted me. This is the Ava 9-inch in lilac. The color is stunning. I actually wore this bag for last year's birthday dinner. I mean, she's a stunner. I get so many compliments on this bag, but I wanted one that was a little bit more wearable for every day, but I still wanted it to be kind of fun, so I went for the Croco stamped leather, and it's exactly what I was envisioning. It is the prettiest like taupe color. I feel like it's gonna go with every outfit. Anyway, my top and blazer are from H&M. The jeans are thrifted, and for accessories, I have this super cute like green pearl necklace that my sister and her boyfriend brought back for me from Hawaii. The rest of the jewelry is Ana Luisa or Amazon, and Amazon black sunglasses, and I'll just be wearing my black docs per usual. Okay, now we really gotta go. See you at the restaurant.
It was pretty good. Very thin noodles. You gotta stir up.
Happy birthday to me, suckers! Here she is, the final bundt cake. I saved the strawberries and cream one for last, but I'm gonna have to control myself. I don't want to ruin my dinner. Whatever. Happy birthday to me. I can't believe it, but your girl turned 28. And the older I get, the harder it is to pin down like all of my friends. I do want to get together with them and celebrate, but everyone's schedule is so busy. I don't think we're gonna actually get together until like next week. Okay, I actually like have to stop myself now. But anyway, I thought I'd go ahead and take this time to just chat with you guys a little bit one-on-one about what went down in Italy, because I know you guys had so many questions. Honestly, so did I, girl. And luckily I have Cinnamon here as support. But honestly, there's no real tea. It's really as simple as I just didn't really click in Italy. So it was kind of like a trial period, but I really didn't think that I was only gonna stay there for 3 months. I thought once I went over there, me and my boyfriend would start the process of figuring out what long-term visas I could get to stay there. But that obviously didn't really go as planned. Italy is truly an amazing country. I would 100% recommend visiting. I'm definitely gonna be visiting again since my boyfriend is still there. But just because you enjoy a country doesn't necessarily mean that you're gonna thrive living there. And I knew going into it that I don't know the language, I don't know the culture, I'm gonna have to learn all of these things myself. And I really was trying my absolute hardest, but I don't know, just for some reason, it was not clicking. I was like unbelievably exhausted most of the time. At first it was the jet lag, but it literally lasted the entire 90 days I was there. I just really lost motivation to do a lot of the things that I used to really enjoy. I just wasn't going out and living my life that much, and it was low-key making me a little depressed. I think you guys could tell in the videos too that I seemed a lot more down than usual. I couldn't figure out why I couldn't just adjust and feel normal there. And of course, I didn't have any friends or family there to lean on. I really only had my boyfriend, and I know that was so much pressure to just put on him. So ultimately, I did decide to come home, and I've been home for about 3 weeks now. And I gotta say, y'all, it feels good to be back. I just feel like I have myself back. back and I have my agency back. I can drive anywhere I want to go, do whatever I want to do, and just take control of my life again, which feels so good. So now that I am back here in California though, I'm not sure what the future holds for me. I'm not sure what the next step is going to be. That's something that my boyfriend and I are trying to figure out right now. But I do feel like my thoughts are a lot clearer now. I have a lot more energy, so I don't know. I'm gonna stay really hopeful. Okay, anyway, it's kind of getting darker now, so thanks for listening to me ramble. And thank you so much for spending this birthday week with me. Out of all of the videos you guys could have watched, thank you for clicking on this one and spending time with me. I really, really appreciate all of you guys that are here and have stuck with me on this crazy journey. I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.